In this video, we'll get an overview of different modes in VIM. Before we start, I would like to mention that from this video onwards, I have enabled this keycast. So whatever I type from my keyboard gets printed here also. Now let's open this file. VIM has opened this file 1.txt and now we are in normal mode. VIM starts in this mode. This is the first mode, normal mode. And we can stay in this mode for many operations like navigation, yank, deletion, and many more. We don't have to change the mode. We can stay in this mode itself. Now, let's say we want to insert any new character. So we'll have to go in insert mode. For going into insert mode, what we can do is we can press I. Now at the bottom, we see that insert has been printed, which means that now we are in insert mode. So insert mode is like any text editor wherein if we type any printable character gets printed here. So this says insert mode. We can type any special characters also like slash, question mark, dot, colon, anything gets printed here. This is the insert mode for inserting any new character. Now from insert mode, we can press escape. Now we are back again into normal mode. So this was the insert mode and normal mode. Now from normal mode, if we want to go to command mode, that's the third mode. What we can do is we can press keys like colon, slash, or question mark. So let's press colon. At the bottom, we see that our control has gone here and it is starting with colon. So we can type any command here. So we see that we are typing at the bottom, not in the editor or anywhere. We are typing at the bottom, which means that we are in the command mode. So command mode is helpful for operations like saving file, quitting from the file, search, replace, opening any other file, and many other operations. So this is the command mode. We can again press escape to go back to normal mode. Now next mode is visual mode. Visual mode is for selection. Let's say we are here and we press V. So we can press V, capital V, control V. So there are different sorts of visual selection. Let's press V. From the normal mode, we press V. Now we see that the text is getting selected. Now this mode is like a thing wherein from the mouse we can select some text and perform some operation. So similar thing happens in VIM also. We can select the text and do any operation, like we can delete that text, we can change that, we can yank that. So it's kind of selection and then performing the operation. So that's the visual mode. Again, we press escape, the text gets deselected and we are back in normal mode. Now the last mode that I would like to mention is replace mode. Replace mode is used to replace the character without deleting that and getting into insert mode to insert new character. What we can do is we can do capital R. Now we see replace at the bottom. We can just type something and then the existing text gets replaced. Let's say from demo, I type ABCD. So demo gets replaced with ABCD and we didn't deleted that. It just got replaced from replace mode itself. So replace mode is replacing the existing text with the new one. Again, we can press escape to go back to normal mode. So these are the 5 modes that we saw. We can think of these modes in VIM as a simple state machine. We go to normal mode, and from normal mode we can go to different modes like insert mode using I, O, A, then visual mode using V, command mode using colon, question mark, slash, replace mode, and from any mode, if we press escape, we are back to normal mode. So normal mode is kind of the central mode. From any mode, we can go to normal mode by pressing escape. So that's it for this video. We got an overview of different modes. I'll be creating dedicated videos for specific modes to display the operations that we can do in those modes like command mode, normal mode, or visual mode. See you in the next one.